Welcome back to Dr. B's tutorials. Today we are exploring Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, a key concept in population genetics that helps us understand whether populations are evolving. Population genetics looks at how genes are distributed in a population. Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium gives us a model to see if a population is evolving or stable. These assumptions define an ideal population. Deviation from any of these rules indicates evolution is occurring. The basic equations allow us to calculate allele and genotype frequencies. P is the dominant allele, Q is recessive, and the sum must equal 1. Let's calculate allele frequencies from a real example. First, determine Q squared from the recessive phenotype, then find Q, then P, and finally genotype frequencies. Try this practice problem. Pause the video and calculate the frequencies before continuing. Once you know P and Q, calculating genotype frequencies is straightforward. Use P squared for homozygous dominant, 2PQ for heterozygotes, and Q squared for homozygous recessives. These mistakes are common in AP and IB exams. Always double check calculations and assumptions. This is why Hardy-Weinberg is so useful. It provides a baseline. Any deviation signals evolution in action. To sum up, know your equations, check assumptions, practice problems, and understand what deviations mean for evolution. This topic is AP IB exam gold. That's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe and check out Dr. B's tutorials on Amazon for full AP and IB study guides. See the first link in the comments below. For more tutorials and test prep videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dr. B's Tutorials.